The KF-21 Boramae, developed by Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) in partnership with the South Korean government and with Indonesia as a partial investor, is South Korea's most ambitious defense project to date and represents a turning point in the country's aviation history. It is the first indigenously developed advanced multirole fighter designed as a 4.5-generation platform with a clear path toward 5th-generation capabilities in the future. The project was conceived to reduce South Korea's reliance on foreign aircraft suppliers and to create a fighter that could match regional threats from advanced jets operated by neighboring countries. Its development showcases South Korea's technological maturity and growing independence in defense production, while also opening doors for export opportunities. The Boramae is a twin-engine aircraft with stealth-inspired design elements that give it a reduced radar cross-section compared to older jets, though it is not fully stealthy like the F-35. Its airframe features sleek lines, angular surfaces, and composite materials to lower detectability, while still being cost-effective compared to 5th-generation aircraft. The jet is powered by General Electric F-414 engines, the same family used in advanced American fighters like the F/A-18 Super Hornet, giving it strong thrust-to-weight performance, high speed, and endurance. This engine choice also ensured proven reliability during the testing and early operational phases. The avionics suite of the KF-21 is one of its most advanced aspects. It incorporates an active electronically scanned array AESA radar developed domestically by South Korea's Agency for Defense Development ADD with Hanwha systems, giving it modern capabilities in tracking, targeting, and electronic warfare. The radar can simultaneously track multiple targets at long ranges, offering beyond visual range combat potential comparable to other 4.5-generation fighters. Alongside the radar, the fighter integrates advanced infrared search and track IRST systems, electronic countermeasures, and a modern glass cockpit with wide multifunction displays and helmet-mounted displays. This ensures superior situational awareness for pilots in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions.